Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a little cook with me. I'm getting dinner ready for tonight in my crock pot. I'm just gonna show you what all I need and got and stuff. We'll do that in a minute. Right now we got our chicken in here. I'm just gonna put it in the crock pot. Had to get a fork. See, just a lot of chicken. You need about, yes, you need 6 chicken breasts, so you definitely will have leftovers if you're not just a family of 2 like me, but it's okay. I enjoy leftovers, so just means I don't have to cook later in the week, and we really like chicken, so that works. Okay, now in a bowl, we have to mix some sour cream and 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. But before we do that, we need to add pepper and salt to our chicken. And I did dye my hair, in case anyone is wondering. I dyed it black, just because I felt like it. I don't know why, I just did. I'm still sick, I feel like I'm always sick, so. Now we're gonna do 2, you can do they say to just do 2 spoonfuls, but you can do as many as you want. So I just do like a little bit extra. And I gotta open, and you gotta have 2 cans of cream and chicken soup. So, also we gotta pour this little ranch packet in. Let me just double check my recipe. Yeah, we'll do this afterwards, so I was right. Okay. I just got off work, so just got done taking my dogs out and stuff. So yeah, I'm just tired. Ready to get this over with. It should be ready when my husband gets home from work. He can probably finish the rest because we have rice with it. So, just trying to get it all. If anyone's wondering, I did wash my hands before this. I always wash my hands when I come home from work. Like, if I don't have time, like, when I'm at work to wash them, I'll put Durmex on them, like, smother my hands in Durmex, and then I come home and wash them. So. It's not going to come up, it's like stuck, so just gotta spoon it out here. There we go. Then we just mix the sour cream and the cream and chicken soup together. I may add some more sour cream. No, I think that's enough. Just make sure it's all mixed together. Okay, now we're going to pour this over the chicken. I'll show you guys what it looks like in a minute. Now we pour our ranch packet over it. Just all over it. Okay, And then let me just double check the time here. Cook on low for 6 hours. Is it low or high? Yeah, low. There we go. It's one of these ones that you can push in the time, so it's new. So I'm still trying to get used to it. And it has one of these lids that you can just attach it to. It's really nice. Excuse me. But yeah, I just dyed my hair because I felt like it. Just a little update, a little cook with me. Let me show you guys real quick. This is what the food looks like. Looking good, looking good. It will look good when it's done. But yeah. So I figured I'd just have you guys watch me like in fast mode, put dishes in the dishwasher and stuff like that. So here we go. We made yesterday. They're so good. They're the fudge kind. Like, yes. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop on here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's a different kind of video for me. Let me know what you guys think. I will get better at these. I just want to do a quick little video, you know. This is basically what I do when I get home from work. I start the crock pot, I do some dishes. I'd already let my dogs out, so yeah. They're just already getting ready for bed for me to go lay with them. So, yes, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.